Okay, welcome everyone. Today is Friday, November 16th of 2018. This is a recap of the trades that I made in chat today. Didn't do a whole lot of trading today, but what I did do turned out to be very profitable. I want to show you the second trade that I took actually was my first core trade. I did a little bit of early nibbling, but the EOM across the board was just fantastic, which is really unusual for Friday. Friday we don't get good EOM, and if we do, it's usually short-lived, comes in the morning, kind of sporadic. But this morning, all the currency pairs were showing really good EOM. I had really good pair correlation, and so I ended up taking my first short. There were several more, but I typically go for a once and done, and then I'm done. So started off here with the pound US. This is the 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart up here. You can see the actual trade here. Always selling at least 52 or higher. Ended up selling here, and I sold it, and it was actually going against me. And at the very last minute, you can see right here, it fell, and it fell pretty hard here. Ended up making money on that trade. It was just it was a beautiful trade here. Everything just kind of worked for it. Ended up making my once and done on the core, and the rest of the day I was just kind of nibbling out and using the crystal ball method to time my entries. And once again, I said I didn't do a whole lot. I didn't really do a whole lot of size, as you can see here. Really just did this one 10 lot down here, and I ended up making 332 for the day. Had a fantastic week. The night trading this week with our students went fantastic as well. I think personally I made over 500 last night. Just trading night. Nights are great times to trade, and always Sunday nights. We trade. The chat room is open on Sunday nights too. Sunday nights actually is one of my better nights of the week. It just seems like everything just flows all night long, and you can just pretty much make what you want to make, just depending on how much time you want to put into it. So anyhow, that is it. I hope everybody has a great weekend. I'll be back on Monday for my next recap of trades I make in chat. If you're interested in learning more about my course strategy, you can get your hands on it by just hanging tight at the end of this video, and there's be some instructions on how to do that. Anyhow, y'all have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday. Take care. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the course strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. Wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.